a.m. Okay, we are live. We are recording. Train's going over.
To all our guide spirits out there, please protect myself and everyone in this room here that is here doing this box session. Please let no harm or negative entities come to us. Protect all of us. Do we have a spirit here with us right now who would like to communicate with us? Seven, you're here with us right now. Seven. Okay, we also have a female spirit here with us. Can you give us your name? We have a female saying seven's name. Easily. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Seven, yes.
Okay. Seven, can you see where we're at? You know where we are at right now? Okay. Can you tell us the name of the facility we are in right now? Radio reception.
Like trying to say it.
Fine. Come on, can you give us the name of the facility we're in?
One word. Blank furnace.
That's really good.
I just touched your saw something there and then touched something.
It just stood beside my head.
It's kind
Trying
of
to.
Come on, we know that you can say it. Give us the name of this facility. Seven, who are you talking to? Hold on. You hear?
Seven.
You hear him? He's talking to someone.
We heard trash twice now. It's not going down there, so it's not getting back down
I think there's a lot of static from something.
My laptop.
there.
Yes.
Should I turn the laptop off?
Okay, hold on.
Seven's here.
Yep. Testing.
Seven.
They're talking, but they keep saying his name.
There we go. Is that better?
Yes. Okay. Okay, now, can you,
Seven, I need your help. I want to see if you can bring that person who hurt me before out here to us. Make him come out and make him face everybody. Mike and Lisa, if you're out there, he's going to need your help to bring this guy out here for us. Can you guys do that for me?
did you hear it? Just said his name. Yes.
I need you guys to do that for me because I want him to face everybody here, okay?
Okay. You guys, you said the name of the spirit. You say it a name again.
Yeah.
What did you say, Jeff? I couldn't hear it.
I heard you say something with.
Say it one more time, a little louder, please. Slag.
Flag.
You hear it?
Yeah.
I heard it.
Can you say it again?
Nasty.
I heard passion.
We know Slag is nasty and that he hurt a lot of people, but we want to see him. We want him to be brought forth.
Is Slag here?
He never left. That's what it said.
Something about a house.
Seven, I hear you talking to the other spirits that are here. Can you help bring forth Slag to communicate with us? Is Slag...
Slag. Slag's here.
I keep hearing nasty.
We know he's nasty because we know what he did.
We know he's nasty, okay? But can you bring him through to talk to us?
Flag is nasty again.
Alright, that's amazing.
That was clear. Flag is nasty.
Is Slag unwilling to come through to talk to us?